Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hand tame your bird. I got a bird just yesterday, and her name is Budgie. So, if you're not familiar with hand taming a bird, you shouldn't really put your hand in the cage the first day or two. I suggest leaving your bird in the cage without being touched for at least 4 days or a week if it's not known to you. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand by the cage. If your bird isn't scared of your hand being there, you're going to move it closer. Let's say your bird was scared of your hand being in the cage. You would obviously just move it farther or move it closer, whether if he likes it or not. We made a video on my other account, which you should go follow. I'll leave it in the description. What birds like in their cage and what they don't like. Now, my bird is okay with my hand being here. So after he is okay with that, you're going to start opening the cage and just putting your hand in the cage for a certain amount of time. Put it closer and closer to him. If your bird likes it, then keep it there. But if he doesn't, just move it farther away or take it out. You don't want him to get stressed out or hurt. Now, then you want to try hand feeding your bird. Who knows, maybe your bird doesn't want you to hand feed him. So getting some food would really help. I have some budgie seed, but you should really use the treat, like that looks like a fern, because they really do enjoy that. So here's what the budgie feed looks like. So this is, budgies are very outgoing, so you want to usually feed them and always feed them, but they can go out days without water. But that doesn't mean you don't feed them new and improved water. Now, if he's fine with your hand being here, that is a really big step. I've never tamed my budgie yet, and I just got him yesterday or the day before. See, he doesn't really like that. So you're just going to let him move for a second and put it in his container. He might. It really helps if you have good seed. They like seed and they eat a lot, and they don't eat much water, but they eat at night. So if your bird is familiar with your hand being your hand full of seeds and he eats off of it, that's good. But if you want to take it a step farther and you think, maybe if I do this, he'll do this. So feeding him isn't just a big thing. So maybe have a whistle by your hand, because birds do like whistles and they think it's their own calls. It really helps if you put your hand in while you're whistling too. And just talk to your bird. It just makes them feel relaxed. So then you want to try picking him up. This is a big step, so you want to be very careful. You don't want to stress out your bird, nor do you want to freak it out. And don't make a big whistle, because that will scare your bird. And just pet him. And your bird will usually stay by its mirror, because it thinks it's one of its own. But if your bird is very lonely, you should get another bird. Just put your finger on his chest and he may go on you. There. Hope you guys like this video. This was a very big improvement for my budgie. I'll have another update on how you take care of your budgie and tame your budgie. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.